This is the strut pole. The strut pole makes it possible to anchor the shade to vehicles or whatever you want that don't have enough room to place your anchors 7 feet apart.
These primarily include setting up your MoonShade on things like the rear of a van, setting up on cars or other small vehicles with a shorter roofline, and anchoring to non-vehicle structures like trees. Utilizing the strut pole really unlocks the potential for a lot of versatile setups, which is what makes the MoonShade so unique.
Here's an example of how to utilize the strut pole on the back of a van. First, we already mounted 2 adhesive moon anchors to the top of the van. If you want more information about our adhesive anchors, make sure to check out our Choose Your Moon Anchor video.
After extending the strut pole fully,
feed the pole through the loop in the middle of the canopy edge.
Feed the strut pole through the Velcro loops on the adhesive anchors. Place each end of the strut pole into the shade top corner grommets.
They are sized for a snug fit, but we recommend running a guy line from one side to the other to keep it on the strut pole.
You can do this by knotting the guy line on one end and tying a slip knot on the other end for easy release. Now you are ready to finish setting up your MoonShade as usual.
We hope you enjoyed this demonstration about utilizing the MoonShade strut pole.
If you have any additional questions, please reach out to our customer support team at support@moonfab.com. Thank you for watching.